Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Tokadi.com, a platform that claims you can make money just by watching and reviewing short videos. It sounds like the ultimate dream for people who already spend 6 hours a day scrolling through TikTok for free, doesn't it? But as the saying goes, if it sounds too good to be true, it's probably a scam, or at least a very poorly written fairy tale. We dug into the domain data and found that Tokadi.com was registered on November 11th, 2025. This website is literally younger than the milk in my fridge, and yet we're expected to believe it's a legitimate financial powerhouse. Now, let's talk about their generous earning claims. The site says you can earn 50 cents for every single TikTok video you watch. If that were actually true, the global economy would collapse because we'd all quit our jobs to become professional video watchers by lunchtime. It's a massive red flag that feels more like a hallucination than a real business model. To make matters worse, the site is about as transparent as a brick wall. The contact page doesn't work, the privacy policy is a joke, and there isn't a single physical address or email to be found. It's almost like they don't want you to find them when your earnings inevitably vanish into thin air. Then there's the weirdly specific request for your TikTok username. Why do they need it? Usually, sites like this harvest real account data to look legitimate or sell your info to the highest bidder. While you're browsing, little pop-ups constantly appear claiming, User X just earned $100, which is about as convincing as a $3 bill. The reviews are suspiciously perfect, featuring no real names or photos, and a quick search on Trustpilot or Reddit reveals absolutely nothing. When the entire internet is this silent about a supposed gold mine, that silence is basically a siren warning you to run the other way. The final verdict is pretty simple. With a brand new domain, ridiculous promises, and zero transparency, Tokadi.com is about as reliable as a chocolate teapot. Save yourself the headache and keep your personal information far away from this place. That wraps it up for today's breakdown. If you enjoyed watching me dismantle another internet fantasy, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Your support keeps us digging through the digital trash so you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.